Hi, you're looking at my eBay auction, and what we are auctioning is a Nakajima AE-710 electronic typewriter word processor with corrective ability. So it has one of those white tapes in it so you can go back over and correct everything. The thing weighs about 17 pounds and it's approximately 17 inches deep by about 20 inches wide, with the flap down about 8 inches high, and it uses a wheel writer with 100 characters. This electronic typewriter is fully functioning, new. These are listed at over $500. You can find them new on sale on the internet for between $350 and $400. Here on eBay, they consistently sell from between $250 to $300. This one I'm starting at $20. $20. So somebody's going to get a bargain, I believe. This typewriter does work, and it is fully functioning. However, it does need a new typewriter ribbon. You can order those online for under $5, and it does have the corrective tape attached to it, and I believe that tape is still good, but you probably want to replace it right now because it needs to be threaded through the ink ribbon. Right now it's just kind of tightened up down on the block, as you'll be able to see in the pictures. So let me demonstrate that this does work. Let me fire it up for you. It will just set itself right now, but you can see everything does work, does return, and then all these settings here, you have margin sets and that sort of thing. Now, the cord that is attached to this right now does not come with this typewriter. This is a typical cord that you can find anywhere. In fact, I pulled this out of the power converter for my laptop. This is the cord that goes from the wall into the converter, and then of course the converter then goes into my laptop with an entirely different type of input device. And I got pictures of the cord, so you can go out and find it probably just about any electronic store, computer store. Probably you could find it in a drugstore. So if you have any questions, just ask, and bid high, bid often, because this is going to go for well under its actual value, and somebody's going to get a bargain.